Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Click the three dots next to Fortnite and select Options. Click Apply and try launching the game. If that does not work, close the application completely. Go to your taskbar, right-click Epic Games and select Exit. Next, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Launch the Epic Games Launcher again. Click your profile icon in the top right, then go to Settings. Scroll down and find Edit Vault Cache Location. Click it, hit the Reset button, and press Apply. Right now I don't have the option showing, but it will be available here in your case. If the issue continues, exit the Epic Games Launcher again. Now open your Start menu and search for Run. Open it and type %localappdata%, then press Enter. In the folder list, scroll to find both the Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite folders. Right-click each one and select Delete. Now reopen the Epic Games Launcher, sign back into your account, and try launching Fortnite. This should resolve the issue. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.